Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create a page template on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, there are two ways to do this, okay? So the first one is you need to open your browser, search for shopify.com and sign in your account, okay? So once you've done that, click on the online store section at the left side of your screen. Then select themes, okay? Now click on this three little dots or the action button if you have that and click on edit code, okay? So once you are here, as you can see, there's this button which is the add a new template. So just go ahead and click on that. And in this tutorial, we want to create a page template, right? So what you need to do is to click on this drop down arrow and select page. Okay. Now just go ahead and choose if you want JSON or liquid. Okay. And then here just go ahead and choose your file name just like that. Now once you have your file name, click on done. Okay. So here, just go ahead and edit it however you want. So as you can see, there's this template, okay? So by the way, if you need a guidance on using liquid tags and filters, you can search for this website, okay? Which is shopify.dev /docs /API /liquid, okay? So that is the first method. So the second method is, let me just go ahead and delete this because I won't be using that. So for the second method, again click on the online store section and select themes. But now, just go ahead and click on the customize button. So once you're here, what you need to do is to click on this drop down arrow at the upper part of your screen, then select pages. Okay? Now just go ahead and click on create template. Now choose the name of your template. So create a template to customize how your content is displayed after it is published. Assign it in the Shopify admin. So now just go ahead and name it. So for example, test page. So based on, so choose in the in all of your options. Now, just go ahead and click on Create Template. So here you can just go ahead and edit it however you want. Okay, so if you want to edit the header, click on this header and here you can change whatever you want to change. So now those are the methods on how to create a page template on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.